Hi there, Ian Stewart again, the owner of Buildabizonline, and in this short demo I am going to show you how or what our 10 banner traffic splash page is all about. So again, I'm going to log in. Let me just shut some of these tabs down and I should be in there now. So if we go to this 10 banner splash, you'll see exactly what I mean. Okay, now this is the link to my 10 banner splash page, and this is really useful, especially if you want to promote just traffic resources, traffic programs. So if I click on that, you'll see exactly what you get. Okay, now it's a brandable page, really clean looking. There is a couple of three to choose from within your members area at Buildabizonline. This is a pro member privilege, okay? And don't forget, our pro membership is only $5.75, okay? So you can grab a page like this. So this is always linked back to you, as you can see on the bottom left hand of the screen. This is my page that I am, my members area. So you can see that my username is Buildabiz, okay, tagged on to the end of buildabizonline.com just there. So what happens is people will be directed to the home page, which gives a lot more information about what we can provide for them. As I say, brandable, so there's a picture of me there and my name, and these are the 10 banners that I have put on here, and it's simply great. Now the thing is I like about this is, let me see if I can do this. I'm going to do it this way. It'll take longer to load, but never mind. And as you can see, if you've just noticed, that they have shuffled about. They're not all in the same place. So, okay, this was up in this corner. So it keeps things fresh. And the great thing is, not only do I get to see the stats in my members area of how many times this page has been shown, but it shows me if somebody is clicked on these, and that's important, because if these banners are not working, if they're not juicy enough, giving enough information, then maybe I ought to go to this program and have a look to see if they've got another 125 times 125 banner, button banner they call them, some of them, okay, and see if that works. So these are some of the traffic exchanges that I use, this one especially, the Viral TE Co-op, because, well, it's simple. I put my link in there and it shows my link in over 500 plus traffic exchanges anyway, but some people like to join them and surf away, which is real cool. I love traffic exchanges. I don't like a lot of the banners sometimes, but this is totally different. A page with banners on is totally different to having one up in a corner or one down the bottom, because people don't tend to see them, but they can see them when they're bang in the center. And this page has been really successful in building me a downline in these programs. So that's that. So that is the demo. Let me just show you just one thing. If we go back over here, you can see there, look, the impressions on that particular one. So that is this one. Okay. So 9,770 impressions. So that's been shown on that page that many times. And the hits have been 401. Okay. The same with the next one. That's been shown a lot less, and so that's better stats. That's better stats for this particular one, the mountain high mailer. Okay, so that's real cool. This one's, that's even better. 216 times that's been clicked. So it really is a useful tool to have. Okay, so that is the demo of our 10 banner splash page. So thanks for listening to this one, and don't forget, it is a pro member privilege, but well worth the $5.75 per month It is a ridiculous fee. A ridiculous fee. Most of our members say that this program should be at least $10, if not more. You get such a lot. Autoresponders, everything. Enough, Ian. Enough. It's only a demonstration. Bye for now. Thanks for listening.